Welcome back to the another session of data structure programming. So in this video, we are going to cover how to delete an element from a array whenever a specific position or specific index is given, how we are going to delete an element. Let's take an example. Deletion operation is very easy compared to the insertion. So for example, this is the array is given to us. Array size is 10. The name of array is A. This is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Index is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now what is our objective? To delete an element from array if the position is given. For example, position is 3. Position is 3. Position is 3 means 0, 1. This is the first position. This is the second position. The third position. Index is 2. These two things we have to remember, that whenever we enter the position value, index value is always -1. Reason is in array indexing starting from the 0 value. So for example, our tax is given us that you have to delete the third position element. Third position means this element should be deleted. So after insertion, what should be present? 10, 20, 40, 50. And indexing should be 0, 1, 2, 3. This should be done. Next question, how to do it? There are various ways we can do it. Let's take. So position is given 3. So if I shifted the value to this look position, that is 40, then this one 50, then what happened? Previous the size is 5 or n equal to 5. Right now, what happened? If I make the size here, then what happened? N equal to n minus 1. So for delete operation, two things we have to do. We have to shift the element into the left side. In case of insertion, shifting should be done right. But here the shifting should be done left side. Means indexing position of element should be indexed to previous index. In case of insertion, to the next index. But here the previous index. So what should be our logic? So for I equal to position -1, because if position is 2, index is 2. So from this one we have to shift it. If this one also we want, so this value position -1 less than equal to n minus 1, the another session
I
of
plus
data
plus.
structure programming. So in
So
this
here which
video
value
we are
stored
going
in
to
this
cover
value?
how to
So
delete an
AI
element
should
from
be
a
store which value?
array
AI plus 1.
whenever a specific position or specific index is
AI
given,
means
how
to
we
store
are
the
going
value
to
of 3.
delete an
So once
element.
the operation is over, what
Let's take
happens?
an
Shifting is done,
example.
then we have to decrease the size. S equal to n minus 1.
Deletion
That's all.
operation is
After that, we
very
have
easy
to print.
compared to the
So deletion
insertion.
operation is
So
very
for
easy in
example,
case of
this
array.
is the array is given
So
to us.
this is the
Array size is 10.
code.
The
Previous
name of
code is the
array is
same.
A. This
Here
is 10,
also
20, 30,
no
40,
need for
50.
this number also.
Index is
Position
0,
here
1,
array
2,
size is
3,
10.
4.
Insert the
So
size,
now
then
what is
insert the
our
element into array. Then it
objective?
will
To
print
delete
the
an element from array if the position is given. For
array created.
example,
Only we
position
have
is
to insert which position element we want to
3. Position is
delete.
3.
So
Position
please
is
enter
3
the
means 0, 1.
position
This is the first position. This is the second
of
position. The
array
third position. Index
to
is
be deleted.
2. These two things we have to remember, that
So it will
whenever we
ask
enter the position
to be
value,
deleted.
index value is always -1. Reason is in array indexing starting from the 0 value.
So what
So
is
for
the variable name?
example, our
Variable name is
tax is given
position.
us that you have to delete the third
If you
position
have
element.
doubts, you
Third
just go to
position
the
means this
previous
element should be
video.
deleted. So
Previous video I
after
have
insertion,
explained
what
how
should
to
be present?
insert the value.
10,
So
20,
this is
40,
only
next version.
so here
50.
it will
And indexing should be 0, 1, 2,
ask
3.
please enter the
This
position
should
to
be
be deleted and we store inside the
position.
next
So here,
question. How to do it? As I have already explained, two things we have to do. We have to shift the
various way we can do
element
it.
into the
Let's take.
previous position, then the size should be decreased.
So here what happened? We have to write down. So position is given I equal to. So if I shifted the value position minus to this 1, position, that is I less than equal to 40, n minus 1, then this one 50. I plus then what plus. Happened? Previous the size here is AI 5 or n equal to 5. To right AI now what happened? If I make 1. The size here, then what happened? N equal to 10 minus 1. So this 1. Is for delete operation, two things we have to do. We have to shift the shifting element into the left side. In case of insertion, shifting should be done right. But here the shifting should be done into left side. Means indexing position of element should be indexed to previous index. In case of insertion to the next index. But here the previous index. So we have to, what should be our logic? So decrease the size n equal to n minus 1. I equal to position minus 1 because if position is 2, index is 2. So from this one we have to shift it. If this one also we decrease, want, so then we have this value position minus 1. Print the value less so than equal to n minus 1 I plus plus. So here which value stored? If this value. Let's see. So AI should be stored which value? AI plus 1. Okay. Here the AI means to store the value of 3. So once the operation is over, what happens? Shifting is done, then we have to decrease the size. S equal to n minus 1. That's all. After this that, we have to print. Screen. So deletion enter the is very size easy in case of ranging. So okay, I entered the size is 8. Then I have to enter. Previous code is the same. Here also, value. No need for this number also. Position. So here array size is 10 and please enter the position of array size, then deleted. Insert the element into array. For example, I enter 5. So after insertion 5 location. So 11 array created 22, only we have to insert 44. Which position element we want. So this is a very simple program how to delete. So please enter the delete the element position from an array. So let me run once again the program to be deleted. Whenever we write a new program, we should run the program multiple times so that we can able to find out if there are any logical error. So for example, I enter the variable name is position 3040. If you have doubts, you just go to the previous video. Previous video I have explained how to insert the values. Yes. So this is only we concluded that our program is correct. So this is all about please enter the position to be deleted and we store inside the position. Hope you understand. So thank you for watching my video. As I have already explained, two things we have to do. We have to shift the element into the previous position. Then the size should be decreased. In comment section so that I can help you. So here what happened? We have to write down for I equal to position minus 1. I less than equal to n minus 1. I plus plus. Here AI equal to AI plus 1. So this is for shifting elements into previous location. After that, what happened? We have to decrease the size n equal to n minus 1. Once decrease, then we have to print the value. So after deletion, let's see. Okay, here the ending is not. This is our output screen. Please enter the size of array ranging. Okay, I entered the size is 8. Then I have to enter value. So array created this one. Please enter the position of array to be deleted. For example, I enter 5. So after insertion 5 locations. So 11, 22, 33, 44. So this is a very simple program how to delete the element from an array. So let me run once again the program. Whenever we write a new program, we should run the program multiple times so that we can able to find out if there are any logical error. So for example, I enter the value 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So I have to enter fifth one. So fifth one means yes. So we concluded that our program is correct. So this is all about how to delete the element from an array. Hope you understand. So thank you for watching my video. If you have any doubts or anything, write in comment section so that I can help you. Thank you. Bye.